There you go, people. I just want to show you how I make a run and sinker rig. I'll just go through the knots of what I'm using. So start off with DFS size 3 40 kg swivels. I've found these hooks are quite cost effective. The Tsunami bait hooks, live bait hooks, 90. Just buy the fluoro 4mm tube off eBay, fairly cheap, and these are some locally made sinkers here. These are size 10 for dropping deeper, and then the line I just use Schneider leader. This is 110 pound, 50 kg, best one I found so far. I'll just go through the knots. So they call this one the 100 pound knot. I'll just go through and show you how to tie it. So just start off by putting your line through the eye, leave yourself a fair tag end, and what you want to do is just cross that line under like that, and then do a loop like that, and then just follow that with another loop like that. So you got two loops stacked on themselves, and then you just bring the tag end in behind it like that, and then you just want to wet that down. So that's what she looks like. You want to just pull that tag end tight. Didn't leave myself much tag end here, but I just grab my pliers and you just cinch down like that, and just make sure the line's lubed, and just pull back down like this. And then I've used this knot quite a lot, doesn't really go anywhere. And then I just thread the Lumo Tube over the top of that, just to make sure you wet it down with some saliva, and just thread that over that in the tag end. Just helps leave a bit of abrasion resistance and that when you're hooking up. And it's quite tough, this stuff, but usually you can get it over the knot and the eye. Just bear with us. Not fucking too good at editing videos, so I'm just doing it as I do. Alright, nearly there. You just got to use a bit of brute force on this one. So here, got it over the eye there like that. Just thread on your size 10 sinker like that. So you got the big sinker there, and I'll get that one out of the way. And then I'll just put the Crane Swivel on there. Same knot again. Just try and leave myself a bit more tag in this time. So you just have your swivel, just do a loop over the underneath the line and then over the top like that, and then you just do one more like that, and it's probably better. And then you tuck the tag in under, goes through the two holes, and then you end up with a knot like that, and you just wet it down, and you just pull it tight, and then find it helps with the pliers. You just grab onto the swivel and reef on that one quite tight, and yeah, she's not going anywhere. And then just trim the excess off, and that there is the just a single dropper hook. It's got a bit of a attractant with a Lumo Tube there, and yeah, that seems to work for me for all your species like coral trout and blue line emperors and Rankin cod and all that sort of stuff. All the good fish up north there. Alright, hope that wasn't too hard for you to watch. Cheers guys.